At industrialgearbox.net, we specialize in high-end gearbox repair, including complex extruder units like this twin-screw gearbox from LN Equipment. These gearboxes are the workhorse of the plastics and rubber industries, built to handle massive thrust loads and torque. A proper rebuild starts with a complete teardown and inspection. We examine the intricate helical gear sets and multi-shaft arrangement to find any signs of wear, misalignment, or fatigue. Every bearing, gear, and shaft is either replaced or refurbished to meet our strict quality standards. We then expertly rebuild the gearbox to the precise specifications required for its demanding application. The finished product is ready to be put back into service, fully restored, and ready to operate at peak performance. For expert repair of your LN extruder gearbox or any industrial drive, trust the professionals at industrialgearbox.net. Contact us for a quote today.